Eclipse Automation can support your automated manufacturing needs from concept design through to service and upgrades on your equipment. Eclipse Services is a business unit within Eclipse that focuses on your smaller projects, upgrades, and service. We help you get the most out of your automation investment by providing you with spare parts, emergency service, equipment upgrades to improve productivity, regular scheduled visits for preventative maintenance, retooling and proof of concept work for new products, control systems upgrades, equipment moves within your plant or around the globe, and production support for new product launches. With the backing of the global resources of Eclipse Automation, Eclipse Services can execute projects of a variety of sizes for all customers. For example, Eclipse Services has taken on robotic welding cells, a multi-million-dollar engine line retooling program for diesel truck engines, a robotic cell to install threaded inserts into plastic injection molded housings, a robotic carton packing cell for toothbrushes, an automated assembly system for automotive grab handles, integration of a specialty press for powder metal components, including robotic loading, unloading, and part inspection, and many more control systems integration and programming projects. Plus, service and support resources in all our global locations, including Ontario, Canada, Rock Hill, South Carolina, Mesa, Arizona, Veszprém, Hungary, and Switzerland, Germany, and Malaysia. Eclipse Services can help you extract maximum value from your automation investments. For more information on how we can provide our service know-how to your business, please visit eclipseautomation.com.